Hi, Ali from Talent for Performance here, and I have an important question for you. Why have employee engagement scores stayed flat for over 20 years? Despite businesses investing millions, UK employee engagement remains shockingly low. Quiet quitting is on the rise, and leaders everywhere are struggling to retain and motivate their best people. The truth? The traditional approach is broken. Perks, surveys and bonuses don't address the real issues. At Talent for Performance, we take a smarter, inside-out approach, helping leaders understand what really drives motivation, expectations and fulfillment in their teams. I'd like to invite you to a free 60-minute session where you'll discover why engagement scores haven't improved in 2 decades, how we use the Harrison inside-out model for sustainable motivation, and the science of engagement most leaders get wrong. As a bonus, all attendees will receive a free Harrison engagement profile to help you uncover what truly drives engagement in your business. Spaces are limited, so don't miss out. Click the link to register now. I look forward to seeing you there.